So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD is actually going to be giving us for the day. So first thing first, guys, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, if you are new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend on our GBP USD. Now let's zoom it out. What can you say the trend is on your GBP USD? Right now, we have the current trend and we have the main trend. I want you guys to know that this is our main trend, and our main trend on GBP USD is on a ranging market move. The main trend is ranging. You can see the market is ranging on the main trend. But when you take a look at your current trend, what market is doing currently, you will clearly see that market is trending to the upside. So at first, market did give us this tap, right? Push up, came back again to retest it before it rejected, and guess what? It bounced up, right? Market was able to pull back right here, then it pushed up again, bounced up, right? That took out this previous high. Now here comes the pullback, which is an higher low, right? This is the pullback, which is an higher low, right? Now market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high that eventually took out this previous high, right? So this is the new high that market has given us that took out this previous high. So with such a movement, we should expect market to pull back and guess what? Push up again to form a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. So if you are not yet in the buy on your GBP USD, look to go in for the buy, as we will be anticipating for more movement to the upside on GBP USD. So it is very clear. Take a look at this movement. When markets did give us a pullback here, markets eventually pushed up, right? This was the this was the movement on Friday. Markets opened and closed bullish. Still indicates that markets will push into the upside, right? That is what market is indicating. But when you go into your weekly time frame, also you zoom it out, you can clearly see that market has broke out of this resistance zone right here. Market literally broke out of this resistance zone. So this is an indication that markets will likely to push up a bit before it eventually drop. Have that in mind that in the long run, market will still drop back to the support level. But right now, there's just a breakout, so we should expect it to push up a bit, thereby accumulate more traders to hop in for the buy, thinking markets will continue to push up. So more traders will be hopping in for the buy until eventually markets give us this massive sell. Above all, we should be anticipating for more movement to the upside on our GBP USD. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame, guys. This is it right here. This is our high, right? Market did drop to form the low right here. Market then pushed up again, came back again to it. There's this low right here. This is the low that market has come here to test. Now market has now pushed up. So we should expect it to push clearly for that to take out this high, then pull back again. So I want you guys to also know something. Is there a possibility that market will come out to test this support level? The possibility is very much there. Have that in mind. The possibility is very much there. If market gives us that possibility and it drops to tap the support level, right? Going for the buy that will push up to take out this high. That is what you should do. If in case market comes to tap the support level, all you should do is going for the buy that will push up to eventually take out this high. Above all, a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I will make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the update, it's very simple, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.